Ukraine made T-80UD tanks, part of the Pakistan Army Armored Corps, during a live-fire drill in the desert. Entered service 1987. Crew 3 men. Dimensions and weight: weight 46 tons. Length: gun forward 9.69 meters. Hull length 7.09 meters. Width 3.76 meters. Height 2.29 meters. Armament: main gun 125 mm smoothbore, ATGW 9K119, 8011 sniper, machine guns, 1 by 7.62 mm, 1 by 12.7 mm. Traverse range 360 degrees. Ammunition load: main gun 45 rounds, ATGW machine guns 1250 by 7.62 mm, 450 by 12.7 mm. Mobility: engine 60D diesel engine power 1000 horsepower, maximum road speed 60 km per hour, range: 560 km. Maneuverability: gradient 60% side slope, 40% vertical step, 1 meter trench 2.85 meters, fording 1.8 meters, fording with preparation 5 meters.